Hey guys, welcome to each motor part. This is your lucky day. Today I'm going to show you how to change this ball joint S123 out of the 1998 Nissan Pathfinder 4-wheel drive. It's because on the 1998 Nissan Pathfinder it's almost impossible to take this one out by yourself, as I'm going to show you right now, because nobody else got a video like this one over here. So let's go ahead and get her done. Number one you're going to do is to remove this little cap over here like this. It should come out anytime soon. Just like that. In your case, it may be a axle nut like this one over here. That means you have to loosen that one up before you raise up the car. In my case, there is a O-ring right here with this damage. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this. See, it is bad. That shouldn't be like that. It's very old. And whoever has been here before, I hope that's not you, because this snap ring over here, it's supposed to be locked in. Look like that. I can literally take it out with my finger right there, and see it? They're not supposed to be like that. In your case, you have to have this tool to take this snap ring out, but in my case right here, I can use my finger or a threaded screwdriver, and this snap ring, it should be out. But since I'm making a video, I'm showing you how to do it right now. So what you do is to press it open like that, and it comes out like this. Now let's go ahead and loosen up the lug nut, raise up the car, and then remove the wheel. Alright guys, hear me guys, understand me, this is English, okay? So I am changing out the right side of the passenger side as in North America. This is the very important part. What I'm looking for over here, as you can see, this is the drive shaft over there, and this is the hub or the steering knuckle right here, and there is the part of the bearing over there. So what I'm looking for over here, it's silver over there, and the hub right here. I am looking for 2 inches in between this thing. If I can do that, if you can do that, then this ball joint, it should go up there and then pop out that way, and then slide the new one back in, and that's all you need. I know I'm not the first one you've seen. You just got lucky, so then you found me. So if you've seen other video over there, they will remove the brake caliper, and then the brake caliper bracket, and the rotor, and everything else inside here, like the bearing and then other stuff in here. And plus they move this oil stuff over here, and it is a big headache. So now I'm going to tune the wheel to the left side. And after you tune the wheel and try to find some stud or wood or metal, try to put it right here, and again to that part over there. It don't matter, it's up here or somewhere else over here. Now before that or after, hit this one with the hammer out here, that way it will lose some pressure. Number 2 is get up here, those nut over there, or the shock or the strut nut right here, loosen up until they come up here to the top of the thread like this. Don't take them all out, because if not, it's going to be a big headache. Now go ahead and take these nuts out here. just like that. Remove them all. After you doing that, and then get the pry bar, find a way to put the pry bar over there. That's going down. Now after that, the bottom should be like this. Long as the nut or the stud goes all the way up there, now you can tune the wheel back, and this should slide out that way. Let's do that. Just like that. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you. So before removing this one, make sure you remove the ball joint nut right here. This one right here, make sure you loosen that one before you do that. That if you don't have an impact wrench, in this case I got one, so it'll be easy for me. But over here should be a cotter pin right here. Again, this one is missing, so somebody's been here before. They're not thinking what they're doing. Alright guys, this job's gotten difficult. On the other side, when I took this one out over there, I only have to remove this snap ring, and then I push this one in, and then it was done. Maybe another snap ring supposed to be inside, so I'm going to take this bolt out here and then see what's inside. Alright, so this is out of the way. You can see right here there is a retaining ring over here, or snap ring right here. I don't know if you can see, but it's moving right here. Okay, so that's why it's not coming out as the other side is. So right now, if I move this one, this should pop in there and then get plenty of space. Now it's out. Let's see how it acts. Alright, now look at over there. There's plenty of space to do the job. Now at this point, the old one, it should slide up. Just push it down like this, and then slowly. Oh, that's perfect. It's out. Let's clean out and then put a new one in there. After cleaning up, as you can see the shape of this one right here, try to keep the new one as the same shape as well. It's like this. Bend it to the way like it should look like this, and then just kind of slide in like this slowly. Hope it goes in. Here you go. It went in there. Now kind of find a way how to get it underneath the wheel bearing, kind of like this, and then flip it whatever. Here you go. It's in there right now. See, now if you take it back out, it will not come out because of the wheel bearing over here. Your new ball joint, it should come with a castle nut like this one over here, and then a cotter pin as well like this one right here. So right now only left to do is to screw it back on over here, just like that. So don't tighten this one nut back over here yet, because you're going to need some flexibility over here. So now push it back together. It should come in like that, and then this should go in slowly back to those threads over here, and then you may have to push it up a little bit. So what I just did, I just tuned the wheel back to straight or original place. In this video, I think the hardest thing to do, the hardest place, is to put these three star back in place. It's very hard to adjust. It's kind of, you have to like wiggle this and run up and down, and then the control arm as well. As you saw on the time lapse, it was hard. I was going back and forth trying to squeeze this and back in here, but finally I got it in. So I believe this is the hardest part. So right now only you have to do just screw him not back on. As you can see, these guys, they still loose up here. I will tighten them back down after everything else. Now just put the snap ring back on there, same order as you took it out. Now just move it around. It should click. I don't think I had to show you everything what I'm doing over here, but make sure you put some grease on there. Previous guys or who has been here work on this car, I don't know why they touch the car if they don't know what they're doing. See over here, they had like a silicone gasket maker all over here to seal this one out over here, but it's supposed to be a o-ring around this over here. As you can see, my new one right now, it's over here. It looks small, but it will go in there perfectly. I got this whole set from Amazon about 6 months or a year ago. Old o-ring out, new one in right there. After that, now again, o-ring, o1, new one, and o snap ring, new snap ring. It's a lot thicker one, and this is very thin over here, and then it's full of silicone. That's how the professional head. So let's do this. Alright, we got it back together. See how easy is that? We didn't have to move that and the whole thing over here, except a snap ring right here, o-ring right here, a snap ring right here, a o-ring right here, and then loosen those 3 nuts over there. I didn't have to mess with none of this over here. It is everything, the sensor and the brake fluid cable, it's everything in place, nothing been touched. That's it for this video. I'm gonna let you figure out how to put the tire back on. That being said, thank you very much for watching this video, for all your support, all that stuff like that. And I'm going to post a video right here and then another one right here. Subscribe right here as well. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye.